Hey everyone, today's Sunday, February 12th, 2017, and it's snowing again. And the forecast is for 8 to 12 inches Sunday night into Monday. Isn't that special? Wonder how the bees are doing. It's 2:15, and it's starting to come down steady now. And it's a heavy snow, heavy wet snow. I mounted the camera onto a block of wood. I'm going to put that on the bird feeder and see if I can capture some bird feeder action during this snowstorm. I lucked out. I had to take that bird feeder off, and there's a wing nut that holds it on, and when I was shaking the wing nut, the bird feeder, the wing nut fell off. Didn't realize it till about a half hour later while I'm trying to cut a piece of wood to mount the camera to. Gave up hope, found an alternate bolt that fit, and then when I was putting it back on the pole, I decided to look one last time, kick the snow around, and I found it at the bottom of the pole. That was luck. Hi everyone. So it's 7:30 and we have about 3 inches. But it's that wet, pasty snow. It's that heart attack snow. And I'm actually shoveling it. Do you hear that? That's right. You don't hear anything. That's the sound of quiet. I don't want to say silence. I'll probably get a copyright strike. And it's almost like a Zen thing. You just shovel, do a little at a time, take a break, and it's still snowing. It's supposed to snow until tomorrow, through till the commute, and I don't know when it's supposed to stop, but it's going to get colder and the winds are going to pick up, so I figured I'd get this wet stuff out of the way first. And maybe then, I don't even think the snowblower can handle this. It's just an 8 horsepower, and it really has trouble handling this really wet snow. I can't throw it that far. So I'm taking my time and using the shovel. You can see those big snowflakes. It's that wet, heavy snow. We're right on the edge of freezing, so we might switch back and forth. But I don't think it's going to stay all snow, just really wet. I just did this, and it was probably a quarter of an inch. A little difficult towards one. Yep, so getting zen with it. Nice and quiet.